Hi, welcome to my channel. It's Mai with Miss Wagashi TV. Today, I will teach you amazingly delicious brown sugar syrup. This syrup brings delicious sweetness to your ice cream, mochi, creme caramel, and more. You can sweeten milk tea, bubble tea, and iced chai latte. In Japan, the syrup is called Kuromitsu. It's so popular, it's used in many Japanese desserts. So let's get started. In this recipe, I will use two types of sugar. They are dark brown sugar and regular fine sugar. By adding the regular fine sugar, you can create a delicate and refreshing taste in your syrup. Now, combine the brown sugar and the regular fine sugar in a pot and add water to the pot. Stir well until the sugar is dissolved in the water. Place the pot on the stove and heat over medium heat. Bring it to a boil and reduce the heat to low. Keep stirring the mixture over low heat and continue to cook for about 7 minutes. Now you can turn off the heat once it thickens. Remember, the syrup will become more thick when it cools, so don't overcook the syrup. For preservation, transfer the syrup into a sterilized jar while it is hot. You can keep it for 2 to 3 weeks in a fridge. One of my favorite ways to use the syrup is to serve over vanilla ice cream. The syrup has caramel-like flavor and it perfectly pairs with ice cream. Try this once and you will never buy a store-bought syrup again. On this channel, I share authentic Japanese home cooking and unique Japanese desserts from my kitchen in Tokyo. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye!